C-130s from the 317th Airlift Group have returned home to Dyess from various overseas locations. After a few months, families and friends are reunited once again.
It was a short deployment, but it's really good to be back and see the family. Everybody always misses your family.
The 317th supplies C-130s to places such as Ramstein Air Base, Germany, and Djibouti, Africa, to support many different types of missions. Maj William Soto was the detachment commander for the 75th Expeditionary Airlift Squadron in Djibouti during a 4-month deployment. After returning home, he is happy to be back with his family.
Oh, I'm so excited. I've been missing you guys so much. Got my wife over there taking pictures, and my son and my daughter. I'm so happy to be home, just like everybody else is.
It is important to have the help and support of both personal and military families, and while deployments are not easy, it makes the return home worth it in the end. Senior Airman Jonathan Farwell, Dyess Air Force Base, Texas.